Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I just wanted to come on and show you our journey that we're taking with raising our own quail. And as you guys know, we already raised our own chicken in the back in the garden. Well, by the garden. And now we're going to try raising quail, but we're going to do it indoors. We're going to take you on our journey with us to see how we do with quail. And this is day 1 through 14. So this is actually day 7. As you can see on this incubator, this is an Innovail, I believe, incubator. 36 count for chicken eggs, I believe. But it'll definitely hold more quail eggs because this is just 32. So we'll see how this journey goes, and we'll definitely bring you guys along with us. This is pretty cool. It has a candler. The only thing is this is in Celsius, so we're doing Celsius. And we're keeping this between 40 and 50. And then I have this meat thermometer in there and putting it in different spots to make sure it stays the correct temperature of 99.5. And it is. So I just wanted to come on to show you guys this and start the beginning of our journey raising coturnix quail. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings. Welcome back again. So we have, well, this is actually day, let's see if you can see that. Yes, day 15. I just get through taking the egg holders out. Well, the egg holder out. And you see it's day 15. I will have the humidity up between 70-80%. And we will see how many hatch out. Now, I did candle some, and the ones that I did candle were all looked fertile. They all had basically they were all growing. And I did about 7, I think. So I didn't want to do the rest because look how much the temperature changed. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna see what we get. So I will update you guys when they start to hatch. Many blessings. Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. So I want to actually make this video because I haven't seen a lot of people doing this video on basically the wait for them to hatch. So I'm going to do more research and update you guys on this, but the egg right here yesterday, well, not yesterday, last night, well, yeah, yesterday, was moving, and now it's not moving anymore. And we'll see, we'll give an update when they start hatching out if everything is okay. It is early still. You see the humidity is at 78%, so we're good there. But it is still early, but it's like when they start moving, is the shell supposed to be soft already? Soft enough for them to break through, or what? Now, this one, the second one right here, 1, 2, right here, was moving also today though. So we'll see. I wonder if I can catch it to show you guys what I mean without my hand moving. We'll see. Okay. That was me that just made that one move by mistake. So it's not It wasn't that one moving. But yeah, I guess it got tired. It's not moving anymore, and I've heard that you should not help them, but I haven't seen anything. Let's see. Any cracks in it. Wait, okay. Any cracks or anything. It might be a split. You guys can't see that, I think. It might be a split like that. So maybe. And it's just tired. Because I heard waiting is, you know, the worst part about it. But no one said that a part of waiting is watching them try to break out and then there's no cracks, or there's like a hairline crack and then nothing. So put in the comments if it's supposed to work. Oh, look at that. It moved. Look at that. It moved. Oh my goodness, that one moved. So then should I talk to it? Come on, guys, you can do it. Like, oh, look at that. It is moving when I said that. Now that is awesome. Does they have a little crack in it? Oh my goodness, it's moving. No, that's not a crack. That's the shell. Okay. But see, we have movement. Oh man, that one's moving good. It's moving like the other one here was moving.
It's moving.
The second, where am I? The second one was moving.
It's moving.
It is moving.
That one is moving back.
So we'll see. I don't know, guys. So I will definitely update you all to see the progress. But oh my goodness, I don't know. I'm just going to do some more research because I've been doing my videos and I've been reading and everything about the quail, but nothing said anything about this part. So that's why I'm doing this video, to say it is like, okay, the humidity is high. It's only day 15 and there's movement, but do I wait? Well, I'm going to wait, but it's like, is it softening and they're still moving, and then yeah, so is it softening and they're still moving in as it's softening and they're fine, or what? Look at that. That's so cool. That's super cool. And my babies get to watch this. But anyway, I'll go ahead and see what happens and let you guys know how the hatch rate is. And I'll show it, of course. But like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, oh, and another thing, if you guys do have questions or would like to leave comments for us and not down in the comment box, you can actually send us an email at hollisurbangarden@gmail.com, and I can answer questions or see some comments there if you didn't want to leave them down in the comment box. All right, like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Look at that, guys. Many blessings.